Welcome back to Vlog Fridays, everyone, the bi-weekly show where we interview one of our friends, partners or customers in the drone industry. Be sure to head over to our website if you are an operator requiring drone insurance. And don't forget to like and follow Vlog's channels so that you can keep up with all the really cool stuff going on in the drone industry at this moment. For today's episode, we're heading over to Norway to hear about the art of autonomy from KVS Technologies. Hello, Håkon.
Hi.
Oh, good to see you. I love the background.
Yeah, thanks. So we're back, finally back on the office here in Norway.
Brilliant. I'm very jealous of that office. It's much more interesting to everyone at home than my horrible pink wall, which is not in the Flock HQ. So Håkon, you are from KVS Technologies in Norway. Can you tell us who KVS are and what you do?
KVS is a Norwegian-based company developing technology for large-scale operations of drones for power grid inspections.
So your goal is to operate fleets of autonomous drones from anywhere in the world. Can you tell people a bit more about the tech you're building to enable that?
Yeah, what we're doing now, we're kind of combining technology placed on the drones with our back-end software running in the cloud, where we have a combined system that utilizes almost any drone and combine them with our experience and our team of engineers that make the system go from kind of done to being able to perform autonomously over large distances.
KVS recently released an article about the benefits of using drones over helicopters. Can you summarize these benefits?
What we see from drones is the ability to operate safer, smarter, gathering better data, and being more environmentally friendly. Of course, with reduced emissions is really important for a lot of our customers right now, but also the reduced noise levels for people living close to the lines.
Yeah, I mean, that really ties in with Norway. You're 90% based off renewable energy, is that true?
Yeah, I think it's like 97%.
Håkon, I can imagine that in Norway there are some incredible projects which you were doing. Can you tell us a bit more about any that you've had this year?
Yeah, I think the most interesting one is what we've done with the major grid operator down in southern Norway, Agder Energi. We kind of started by doing proof of concepts for them that quickly grew into large-scale operations. And last year we signed a contract for them to perform inspection of over 3,000 kilometers of power grid. So that's over 30,000 power line masts to be inspected. Yeah, we also did a large project for Statnett, Norwegian TSO, the transmission system operator, a couple of years ago now, where we operated inside a live high voltage transformer.
Your operators must love their jobs, I imagine.
Yeah, our pilots have seen a lot of the countrysides. Yeah, they see it as one of the greatest jobs in the world.
Who else do you think we should be watching out for that's coming out of Norway at the moment?
There are a lot of companies evolving quite fast with the framework or regulations we have had in Norway has made the technology develop fast. Our neighbors just down in the street here with Nordic Unmanned.
Yes, Flock cover Nordic Unmanned as well, so we're very familiar with them.
They're just 2 kilometers from here, so it's really making a Norwegian center or world center of expertise.
Oh, great.
BVLOS operations here.
Yeah, you're the Silicon Valley of the drone world.
Definitely.
Is there any particular technology which yourselves are hoping to see enter the industry?
I think the automation or the automated process, the integrated process from capturing the images until the delivery of the image to the customer is what we see as the main developments here.
KVS sounds like such a great company to work for. Can you tell us what KVS is like to work at?
It's a really young company. What's really cool with the way we work is how we have combined aviation experience from ex-helicopter and ex-aviation or airline pilots with kind of high technology engineers doing robotics, aiming cameras, being kind of involved in the software development for the flight controllers. So we have a lot of diversity in our team.
Håkon, that's been so great to hear. I love the escapism that you have provided all of us watching. Thank you so much for telling us more about KVS and what you do. And it's been really great to have you as our first non-UK company on Flock Fridays.
Yeah, it's great. It's been great talking to you, James.
everyone at home, I really hope you enjoyed that. You know where to go to see more about KVS, to see any job openings they have. Go right onto their website, on their LinkedIn, and get some more escapism from their videos in Norway, which they post, which really is the Silicon Valley, as we said, of the drone world. Thank you very much, Håkon.
Thank you.